My technique is based on usage of tar, oil colors, acrylic and lacquers, and I weave them together on the canvas. I don't use the colors in cans, and I don't stir them in cans. I use them only on the canvas, and instead of brushes, I use sushi sticks just to take the color, to move the color from place to place. Because all this technique is based on movement of color and creating color and shapes by movement of the color on the canvas. I call this technique the multi-layered tar technique, and I deliver this technique in workshops I'm doing around the world. I call it the Fly workshop, the Free the Life Within You workshop, because it speaks about actually the freedom of each individual to express himself fully without thinking what other people would think about what I'm doing, or another curator or another collector or another artist. No, people are just creating what they feel like doing. Most of the time they don't think before what they are going to process in this workshop. I just let them do and act as they feel. This is one of the reasons why I really enjoy working with kids, with small children. And I have now a few workshops that I deliver to small children that they work really totally freely without any kind of questions, hesitations, or thinking what would be or what other people would think about what I'm doing right now. So this is the Fly workshop.